Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibu sana, and for those who are returning back, karibu tena sana, and also thank you for sticking by, and for the new subscribers, karibuni sana. So guys, here is where we live the life. And today I had gone to buy for my child a bike because he always cries for other bikes for other children. So we decided to buy for him. And here we finally bought it and we are practicing. We are practicing how to ride it. So guys, the bike I bought it from Ruiru. I'm going to pin the number below. So if you want it, it's a quality bike. It's a good one. It's very strong. It's really very strong, and it's thrifted. It's a thrifted one. It's not a new one. It's a thrifted one from UK. So I'm going to pin in the number and the shop where I bought it in case you'd like to buy a bike for your child. Go buy it, and for good prices you can tag my name in while you're buying your baby's bike, so that you can get a discount. So they have quality bikes. They are thrifted. They thrift them from UK, and they are so as they are quality ones. So you can check the number on the screen, and you can get to call them. They have so many bikes there, at a good price. They're very affordable, very, very affordable. And if you want a discount, remember to tag my name in Aisha Shish Mama Tijan. Kanyanga na nguvu. Kanyanga hiyo na nguvu. So guys, this is the following day morning. I woke up to doing laundry, and I started doing it in the morning and guess what guys, I ended up finishing in the evening. But anyway, it's called motherhood. You do, unafanya kidogo, unawacha hivyo, till you finish. So guys, hope you're enjoying my video. Continue watching, continue subscribing. For those who have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also comment down below what you would like to see me do. You may comment down below. Guys, keep watching guys. Unafanya nini? Twende tuanike nguo. Sawa? Kwa nini unanichafulia peg sasa? Unataka nizioshe tena?
Everything that happens is motivation.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Yeah, so guys, I'm done hanging clothes, and yet yeah, I'm gonna freshen up, then I start cooking supper as early as it is so that we can eat early and rest. Yeah. So yeah, here I'm cooking, guys. And guess what, guys? Just guess what? Today I'm cooking ugali and fish. Yeah, I'm cooking ugali and fillet fish. Yo, I can't wait to eat. Yeah. So here I'm just chopping my onion. Yeah. I'm just chopping. Okay, I've put some oil. Yeah, I want to add some tomatoes. Yeah, that's my fillet fish. Yeah, well, I can't wait. I just can't wait to eat. Oh my, I'm so hungry. I've been doing housework since morning till evening. Oh my, I just feel like just sitting down and eating. Yeah, and just take a rest because I'm so tired. So I've added some cubes and salt. Yeah, I don't add so many spices. I just add cubes. So don't mind about my baby. Yeah, we are with him here. Yeah, as I am recording, and he wants also to talk. That is so. Yeah, oopsie doopsie, I've overcooked the tomatoes. Sorry about that, but I'll add some water. Yeah, I'm adding some water. Yeah, and after adding some water, I'll add my fillets. Yeah, I'll add my fillet and let it to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, because the fillet is already cooked. Yeah, and also the tomatoes are already cooked. Yeah, so just let the soup to boil. Yeah, so I'm going to add my fillet here. Yo, that's my fillet. So I'm adding it. Yo, and also I'm going to let it cook. Yeah, to let it boil for just a few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, so after letting it to boil, I'm going to add my coriander. Oh, today I don't have my kitungu saumu, my garlic. Oh my, and the way I love eating fish with kitungu saumu, with garlic, yani I just love it so much. Today I just checked and I saw I didn't have, and I didn't bother going for it because it was too late, and I said I won't bother going for it. So we just cooked with it the way it was. Yeah, so I'll just let it boil for like a minute, just a minute or like 30 seconds. Yeah, and it's ready. So here I'm going to cook my ugali now. I had boiled my water and I had kept it in my thermos. So here I'm cooking my ugali. I'm just cooking a small ugali. Yeah. So guys, enjoy as you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. Yeah guys, comment down below what I need to do or what I need to change about my vlogs. So guys, comment down below and keep enjoying, guys. ready, and now I'm ready to eat it. Oh my, oh, just look at it. Just look at it. Doesn't it look so sweet, so yummy? Hi guys, so I'm done cooking. Now I want to eat. So as you have seen, I've cooked ugali and stew of fish, and I love it so much and I can't wait to eat. Guys, don't mind my sake. I'm so tired. I'm so tired today. I'm so tired, like so tired. Yeah, and I want I even don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm so tired. It's time to eat now. Then let me acha nionje niwaambie ina taste aje. So sweet. I just wish it had kitungu saumu, yani the garlic thing. But it's so sweet still. I just love it. So sweet. Guys, you should try this.